This is as far as Mistar can go on his bike. There are no roads to the crater, so he has to walk the rest of the way. It's a 2-mile hike up to the ridge of Ijen volcano. Here, he faces the volcano's extreme environment. The air can reach over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And he works near one of the world's most toxic volcano lakes.
Tapi itu asam. Asamnya seperti asam baterai. Itu memang berbahaya. Nanti kalau kena sama misalnya mulut sama gigi, dia rontok. Ya kan berbahaya. Dia bisa membunuh. Bau asap belerang itu sangat menyengat. Bau asam lagi kadang-kadang bau seperti go.
He battles 2 types of sulfur smoke. The first comes from deep inside the volcano and is channeled through these pipes.
Kalau asap masuk dalam tubuh, itu merasakan sesak, nyeri di hulu hati, sesak, nyeri.
While mining company PT Jandi Grimby owns the license to run the mine, the miners are freelance contractors, so they have to pay for their own gear, and many can't afford gas masks. The second type of smoke is even more dangerous. It comes from the volcanic gases below the acidic lake, and it can be deadly. That's why Mistar needs to get here so early. The winds pick up through the day, blowing more white smoke towards the miners. Both types of smoke have lasting health effects.
Untuk penambang di sini ya ada, pasti ada yang sakit.